Today we are going to be hosting a static website using Amazon S3 and CloudFront. So let's get started. I am in S3 on Amazon, so I'm going to begin by creating a bucket. Now your bucket name must be globally unique, meaning nowhere in the world is utilizing that bucket name. I'm just going to simply use my name with a number behind it because there's hardly ever any buckets with my name are used by me. So to make yours unique, you could use random numbers, random letters, maybe have it named static website dash your name to make it unique to you in the world, you know? Next, we are going to enable ACLs. We do need that enabled. And we're gonna allow public access and make sure that we acknowledge these settings right here, or it's not going to allow you to proceed. And that's all. We can create our bucket. Now that we have created our bucket, we now want to create a HTML file to put inside of our bucket to host the website. I'm going to use the app called Notepad. Now, I do use Windows. I'm not sure if MacBook has Notepad or if you have a text editor or something of that nature. You can edit inside the text editor and put this in there. On my GitHub, I have linked the HTML code that I'm using inside of this. So you can copy it directly from here and edit it yourself with anything you would like. I have also put in the exact code that I'm going to be using. So I will be copying that and putting that directly inside my notepad and paste it right there. So now I'm going to save as, and I'm going to save this as my site.html and go over to my bucket and upload this file. So add files, my site. And there we are. Okay, so I'm going to close that out. And I'm going to scroll down inside of properties. And you see static website hosting. I'm going to edit this and enable it. Now for the index document, I'm going to be using my site.html. And that's it. Save changes. So now my site is in there. I have traveled over to Amazon CloudFront so we can create a distribution. Now I'm gonna use the S3 bucket I just created, of course, and we need to allow origin access control settings. I'm gonna use this origin access control that I already created, but if you have not already made one, you can come right in here, create one, and just add a name and a description. That's all you need. Then scroll down a little bit. I'm gonna put mine on to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. And scroll a little bit more, and then we need to enable security protections, because if you do not do this, your website will not work. Scroll down just a little bit more, and then you see the default root object. We're gonna put in our HTML file, and then you can create your distribution. So at the top, it's gonna paste out or put out a policy for you. You need to copy the policy, go to your bucket, and add in your bucket policy. Now I'm gonna remove the bucket policy I already had, paste that right in there, and save the changes. Now if you go over to CloudFront, you're gonna see that this distribution is deploying right here. So you just need to wait till it's finished, and then you can check your website. Our distribution is now ready. It says today's date, and you can click right here on the ID, and you can click on and copy the distribution domain name. And now in your browser, paste it, and there's your site. So we have created our website using S3 bucket and CloudFront. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.